Hi YouTube, my name is John and I'm from the Philippines. My channel name is JB Carancho TV. I make this video appeal because last January 18, I received an email from your team that my channel was no longer eligible to monetize. I would like to clarify that all my videos comply with the YouTube Partner Program guidelines. My channel content focusing on travel, food, music, and entertainment videos. And now I will show you the tools for my video editing. This is my personal computer, my monitor, my desktop keyboard, and this is my gimbal. I'm using this when I'm an outdoor. This is my headphone and mic and my extra phone. For my video editing, I'm using CapCut application. Sample. This. And for the picture editing and making a thumbnail, I'm using Polish application. Here's the sample. Here's the sample of my thumbnail. That's it. I hope you consider my video appealing and to be back on your YouTube Partner Program. Once again, thank you and have a nice day.